Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to connect a Bluetooth device to this phone. First of all, we need to enable Bluetooth on this device. For this, go to settings and tap on the option connections. Here you can see the option Bluetooth, tap on this one. First of all, we need to turn on this option. Now you can see they are searching for the available nearby Bluetooth devices. So here I am going to connect this Bluetooth device to my phone. First of all, we need to turn on our Bluetooth. And after this one, we need to enter our Bluetooth device to the pairing mode. Okay. Yeah. Now you can see the name of the Bluetooth device here. Just tap on this one. You can see this pairing. Now confirm this with the pair. Okay, now it is connected. If you tap on the settings icon, you can see the calls, audio, and here you can rename the Bluetooth device. You can disconnect and also you can unpair this device from our phone. And here you can see the charge on this earbuds. The left side 100%, case 60%, and right side 100%. Okay, so simply in this way we can connect the Bluetooth device on this device. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.